Hello, everybody. How are you? I hope you guys are enjoying your break from the stock market today. It is MLK Day. Yay! So we're going to go over the indexes, and I know some people are afraid of DVN energy because some people took out the iron condor, but have no fear. You guys are good. I have been keeping you guys on the right path for a while. I'm not gonna let you go astray. Do not worry. So I'll talk about that here today. So let's go and begin. The Fear and Greed Index. It got off extreme greed. We're still in greed territory, which means that you want to think about taking profit still a little bit until we start reaching fear and extreme fear. Makes sense? Not going to keep going over that. All right. The MMRI, 253.3 is the current risk of a market correction. We are going a little higher, but once again, it's still not as bad as it used to be with extreme risk, so that is great. On to the S&P 500 heat map. So as you guys can see here, I don't really know what to make of this. We have huge moves in everything for the week. We have Microsoft up 5.6%, Nvidia up 11%, Google up 5%, Avgo up 5.5%, Uber is up almost 10%, Amazon is up 6.5%, Tesla's down 7.8%, you have CVS down 6%, you have energy just doing horrible in this category. So it's all over the place right now of what's going on with the stock market for the week. All right, I do not know what's going on with my tracking. All right, my tracking's doing horrible. Fantastic. All right, so on to DVN energy. I know some of you guys are a little nervous that, oh, we're below the support line right here. And yes, you can see that we are just below the support line. And if you took out an iron condor of it, that makes sense. But if you remember in my video, which I have here for you, look at this. Hopefully you guys can see that. I said $40 put, $40 put, which means your break even for this is, let's just play it. Oh, there it is. It's down at the bottom. So if you look right here, when I move my mouse, you'll see it. So when you look down here, the break even is 39.68. Yeah, so anyways, you see there, it's at like $40. That's where I was like, hey, maybe you guys want to do that, $40, right? So anyways, as you can see, DVN energy is at 42.77. So if you did follow that trade, which keep in mind, I did not make that trade, did not make that iron condor trade. But if some of you guys did, you guys still will have $2.77 left to go. And if you check out this here, we are still below the 20 EMA, the 50-day moving average to 200-day. And I totally get that that's very worrisome, that we're also on support. And if we break through here, we could go lower. But, however, if you go ahead and check out LuxAlgo, there is some support right here at 41.50 and here at 39.39. Now, what do you do if it starts approaching $41, let's say? Well, you just roll it, baby. That's it. Roll it like a river. That's what you do. What do I mean by roll it like a river? All right, so right here, you're selling a put, right? So if you're selling a put and it's expiring at $40 and you're really nervous about it, oh no, it might make it. It has 18 days to go down $2.84. That's kind of a lot to drop still. I would just wait for it. But hey, you know what? Maybe you're nervous. So you can buy it back if it hits like 40, 50, and that's where the share price is at. You just buy it back to close it. So you would buy your puts back, and then you would also sell the long put as well, which would close out your lower position, and you would close out your long calls as well. And then you would just go to, I don't know, let's say April. And then, you know what you're going to do? What you're going to do is you're going to go ahead and you're going to go to, let's say, $37.50. You'd go and sell your put there, and then you'd go and buy a put for, I don't know, $35. Sell put, buy put. So $43. And that's just how you end up rolling your iron condor. It's really not that hard. And then you would go up here, obviously, and, you know, sell your call for, since it's lower now, you can sell it for, I would probably still sell it for 50 and then buy one. See, and all what you're doing is you're doing a short iron condor all over again, but you're pushing it out. So this way, you're making more money and you're lowering your put price. So now you have a lot more wiggle room and you're still making money. I believe you can go and deduct some losses, however much you've lost, which wouldn't be that much anyways, as of right now. And you can keep doing that. But keep in mind, you do have the wash sale rule. I don't know how it works with iron condors. Go check out with your tax pro. So anyways, yeah, so that's what you do. You just roll it over. That's it. If you're that concerned about DVN energy going lower. If that made sense, I don't know. Let me know in the comments if that made sense. All right. Moving on. So Franco-Nevada, I did this little head and shoulder pattern for you guys. It's not the best head and shoulders pattern, but it is going to give us something of support in case we break this red line here. It's not very horizontal. I apologize for that. There we go. This is our support. And we broke through support and we came back up. So I don't know. I definitely feel like there's a good chance that we might go all the way down to $97.35, having this head and shoulders play out. If it is a head and shoulders, which I do know this is a sloppy head and shoulders, I totally get that. We may still have some room to the downside. I'm not sure though, because we might be keeping this support. And if we go and check the moving averages, we're below the 200, the 50, and we're also below the 20 EMA, which is not good. I mean, we're trying to retake the 20, but we'll see how well that works. And Luxalgo is telling us, hey, we can go as low as 150 and then $92. So that's even worse than where my head and shoulders is predicting it to go. So, you know, who knows what's going to happen to Franco-Nevada. Moving on to the RSI of Franco-Nevada and the MACD, you see that it did reverse, which is bullish for the RSI, and also the MACD did reverse as well, which is bullish. So we might see this price move up higher, but once again, we'll see if this support can hold or not. So if you want to start a position here, you can definitely take one, because it did seem like this was support that did hold pretty well. It is altcoin season. Hooray, finally. So let's go check out some Cronos. Cronos is not doing very well. Actually, it dropped quite a bit. It's at 8.6 cents right now. Now keep in mind, we do have the 200-day providing support at around 7 cents. So that's good. But other than that, we are below the 50, the 9 moving average, and the 20 EMA. So all that's not good. Luxalgo predicts that this might go to 6 to 7.8 cents. And it does predict that you should sell like right about here on this purple line. So all in all, Cronos not looking all that great. Let's go to the RSI and the MACD. So RSI reversed down below 50. That's bearish. The MACD is trending down and it reversed, which is bearish. All right, guys, that's all what I had for today. I hope you guys enjoyed what I had to present to you guys today. If you have any questions, comments, or concerns, please leave them down below in the comments. And thank you for watching. Bye.